I am currently at the construction site of the CRRC Innovation Experiment Platform project. The CRRC Innovation Experiment Platform project has a total investment of 990 million renminbi, and it involves the construction of 3 individual buildings, a co-creation center, a scientific research and experimental center, and an apartment center, with a total construction area of 95,000 square meters. All the interior partition walls in this project utilize our prefabricated high sound insulation wall system. Now, let me take you through our construction site to understand more about it. I have now entered the construction site of the project, and this is the 5th floor of the first building. Here, we can see that the entire partition wall has completed the installation of the framework and the soundproof board. Over here, the soundproofing cotton has been laid, and the next step will be to seal the baseboard. The prefabricated high sound insulation partition wall adopts advanced technology and materials, ensuring its highly effective soundproofing performance. Additionally, it offers the advantages of quick installation, seismic resistance, fire protection, and being environmentally friendly. As an integral part of the project, the prefabricated high sound insulation partition wall provides strong support for the smooth progress of the project. With the continuous advancement of technology in the future, we believe that the prefabricated high sound insulation partition wall will be applied in more fields, bringing more convenience and comfort to people's lives and work.